So what I liked most about this event was getting to hear a wide variety of presentations from real experts in their field, covering very diverse topics that often give us new insights and understandings into some of the innovations that are now available in clinical trials. I also really appreciate the opportunity to network with colleagues from around the globe.
The highlights of this program is the diverse themes. I've seen presentations on patient recruitment using social media. I've seen presentations on sharing data from pharmaceutical companies with the scientific community. It's a diverse group of talks.
It's important for us to meet with these customers, to raise the awareness of us as an organization. So it's advantageous for us to participate in these types of one-on-one or small, more intimate forums.
So I think the highlights of the program are there's an opportunity to actually interact with peers and colleagues cross-functionally on key issues that are affecting the clinical trial space in 2016. So it's not just about the technical issues, but it's also the ability to share experiences and network with colleagues.
So I think when you gather a wide variety of experts from around the field with very different backgrounds and disciplines, and really get to, one, hear their various lectures on really innovative new techniques in clinical trials, but then also really get the opportunity and time to sit down and talk with them one-on-one, interact in smaller group sessions, that really allows you to gain a much deeper insight into some of these new techniques. And that's some of what I hope to take with me.
Alliance opportunities that excite me, given my personal interest, is the opportunity to expose sponsors and pharmaceutical companies to our technologies, our software technologies, because we think they will change the course of clinical trials in a very significant way.
Although the Word Alliance is overused quite significantly, organizations that truly value a customer-supplier relationship to develop key objectives collectively really are ahead of the game. The transactional approach to customer-supplier relationships ultimately is a more expensive approach. So at WorldCare, we love we really enjoy when customers want to talk about a true partnership or an alliance.
So when I come to these type of programs, there's really two main goals I have. I want to leave the program with some new insights or information, and I think that certainly has been met. We've had some fascinating talks today, and for instance, on really harnessing and utilizing social media for clinical trial recruitment. Also, one of my goals is to really get to meet and network with people from within the industry, and this intimate setting has been a great opportunity to really talk to a lot of people.
Being a solution provider in 2016, you have to be dynamic and be ready to meet your clients' needs. I think having the broadest service basket that you can, where your client can one-stop shop, is definitely an advantage as a service provider. Otherwise, you're forced to work in partnerships and alliances. Those are also valuable, but really, as a service provider, it's the more things that we have to offer a client, we're better positioned to really meet their needs and minimize the number of vendors that they have to deal with.
When the participants fully engage is very valuable, because those participants who are interested in your services come to talk to you because of that interest. It's far more productive and valuable for you as a supplier and for them as a potential customer. And so these one-on-one discussions to me are much more valuable than what I would consider traditional trade show exhibits.